This is your feel-good breakfast show, Expresso, only on SABC3. Now, as you would have maybe guessed from Bob's party outfit earlier, we are going to have a look at a cruise deal taking you away over the Christmas and New Year's period.
It's always a time to be jolly, so sit back, relax, and without further ado, let's have a look at how you would be traveling around on this festive deal.
Whether you want lively entertainment and exciting activities, lazy days and relaxed evenings, the Costa Fortuna has it all. With decor and design inspired by the nation's proud shipping history, the Costa Fortuna is a charming and atmospheric choice for your cruise holiday. Inspired by the Italian steamships of the past, with models of these ships on display, lending their mystique to restaurants, bars and entertainment lounges. Get refreshed on one of the Divine Sun decks, 2 large whirlpools and 4 pools, including one with a water slide. And while you soak up the sun, the kids have their own activities and fun at the Kids Club and in the high-tech virtual world. There's a running track and a well-equipped gym for the more active, as well as a tennis court complete with stadium-style seating. Or you can stay fit at the health center or treat yourself to a revitalizing beauty treatment in the spa. As day turns into night, meet up in the classy atrium before moving on to one of the many restaurants. Enjoy your formal meal in fine style in the sophisticated splendor of the Michelangelo and Raffaello restaurants. Or if you want the flexibility of a la carte dining in exclusive surroundings, then the Club Grand Conti 1927 is a chic choice for the ultimate in haute cuisine. Evening entertainment is enjoyed in luxurious lounges. With large shows and lavish musical productions, you can dance the night away to your favorite numbers. Whatever your style, the Costa Fortuna will make you feel like royalty as you travel to the most exotic locations in the world.
I don't know about you, but I think I could really get used to traveling around like that. All the comfort and attention to detail, it just looks incredible.
Definitely traveling around in style is what I call it. But why don't we go and have a look at this morning's fantastic itinerary that you would be experiencing?
Your journey begins with a flight and travel to Dubai. In Dubai, you'll spend 3 nights in a 4-star hotel, experiencing one of the fastest growing cities on earth. As a gateway between the East and the West, Dubai is a titan of modern sophistication and beauty, with high-rise buildings that stretch into the heavens. Visit the tallest building in the world, the Burj Khalifa, or take in the gorgeous architecture of the Mall of the Emirates for a shopping paradise, or walk the old narrow streets of the Bastakir district. From Dubai, you'll set sail on the Costa Fortuna to Muscat, one of the Middle East's oldest cities filled with fascinating history and charm. Enjoy rare glimpses of rich cultural heritage with its grand forts and museums, all of which help to understand the history of Oman. Kasab is your next stop. Surrounded by stunning white sandy beaches and majestic mountains, visit one of the many untouched beaches or the picturesque fort located in the bay for panoramic views and an insight into the fascinating past of the seaside port. From here, you'll head to Abu Dhabi, one of the world's most modern cities, with a captivating mix of historical culture and ultra-modern architecture. Visit the Heritage Village and learn about the traditions of Bedouin, or take in the Liwa Oasis, one of the largest oases in Arabia. Or stand in awe of the Clock Tower, one of the most striking landmarks in the UAE. And then it's back to Dubai to end your journey of a lifetime in the city where the sun never stops shining.
Absolutely breathtaking. Can you believe it? What a trip. And depending on what you feel like, there are a few Dubai and festive season options to suit your wishes, so be sure to check those out. Now, in the meantime, let's get you those itinerary highlights once again. You're looking at Dubai, Muscat, Kasab, Abu Dhabi, and finally back to Dubai. We're looking at 10 nights from just 19,999 Rand per person sharing.
That is incredible. So you might be asking, what's included? Well, not only do you get your return flights from Johannesburg, 3 nights in a 4-star Dubai hotel, 7 nights on board the Costa Fortuna, and all of your air and port taxes. On your cruise, you'll enjoy a 4-star stateroom accommodation and get all your meals, snacks, and entertainment for the whole family, which just shows you how much value for money cruising really is.
So to book this cruise, pick up the phone and dial 0861 666 487, or you can visit www.imaginecruising.co.za. And as we understand that many of you already have plans over the Christmas period, so we are happy to let you know that we'll be offering similar packages until the end of March. So don't miss out. Experience the incredible memory of a 10-night Dubai stay and cruise courtesy of Imagine Cruising and the Costa Fortuna.
Sounds amazing.
Incredible stuff. But some more incredible stuff is happening in our kitchen right now with our guest in studio.
Yes.
And they are making some really interesting drinks. It's called a
Shirley Temple,
There
a
we go.
virgin one.
Imagine Cruising. Happiness is only an ocean away.